Home sellers frequently have the question, do I really need to have an open house? And the answer is yes, as long as it's an effective one. Make sure you talk to your agent about their strategy for exposing that open house to the maximum number of people. How are they going to advertise it and market it? What's their plan around signage? Because if there isn't a plan, it's probably a waste of time. But if your agent has a strategy for marketing that open house and maximizing the attendance through effective advertising and signage, then it may be an amazing tool to get as many buyers as possible to view and consider your property. And especially now with lower demand, that could be critical. So talk to your agent, and if you have any questions for us, feel free to reach out. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California. And this is one in a series of real estate FAQ videos. So if you found the information helpful, be sure to check out the other videos in our series and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.